Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a text in Tinkercad. So basically what you'll need to do is import your STL file and click on this little arrow. Then find a text tool and basically place a text somewhere on the plane. And what you'll need to do is basically minimize the text and put it where you need to, but first of all I will just minimize how I need to and name it how I want to right here. So basically I will write guide to everything and rotate it 90 degrees because I will want to put the text right here. And now what we'll need to do is take the text and just put it like this. Then with the text what you can do is basically go up like this. So I will position the text properly and put it somewhere in the center like this. And now I can use the width to extrude the text how I want to. If I want to emboss the text, what I will do is basically move the text more upwards. So I will create a little hole. So just select the hole, and now what we'll need to do is select this a little bit downward, and that should make a text emboss into this little cap. So if this video was being helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.